Hi, Yukiko is here. I'm so excited to announce the product launch workshop that will be a game changer for your business. Storytelling is the key for this formula. Jack Walker invented sideways sales letter marketing tactic using video storytelling. The product launch formula made rapid growth over 1,000 businesses in different countries by PLF. Jack Walker, who has an altruistic mindset, gave me an opportunity to share his once-a-year free The Lunch workshop to my followers. Click link below to instant access The Lunch workshop. SnowSugar Video has been sharing a smartphone video editing and video storytelling power. You learn about video storytelling from my classes on Skillshare.com and Udemy.com. So you have your video storytelling. Now you need a killer marketing formula, The Lunch workshop. I can't wait to see your business success. Thanks for watching. ありがとうございます。